Hello, baby Gam Gam. Say hello to YouTube. Hello ka. Hello ka. Hello ka. Hello. Oh, what was that? Oh. Good morning, everybody. It's 1:30 in the morning, and insomniac as I am, vampire as I am, I'm still up this late, and it has been raining all day. So I was planning to go out, maybe do some groceries, but because it has been raining, I'm stuck inside the house. I was doing nothing the whole day. What did I do today? Nothing, actually. But anyway, I was just watching videos on YouTube. As you have seen, well, at 35. I'm just a new vlogger and trying out this thing called vlogging. Oh my god, my forehead. It's so shining, shimmering, splendid. Anyway, so there it is. As I was saying, at 35, I'm just starting to know what vlogging is all about. So I'm watching videos on YouTube of vloggers. One of them is Neo Rivera, the one you just saw. Yeah, I'm trying to learn how to improve my contents. I am trying to improve my editing. I'm using a basic editing application, and I think I have to stick on that for the first 10 or 20 of vlogs until I get the hang of it, because I need to learn how to edit as well. Shout out to my friend Eddie the Creo. My friend, you can also follow him and subscribe to his channel at Eddie Docreo. That's EDDYDUCREO. Yes, Eddie Docreo. Nice music. He composes own music and does mash up as well. So yeah, he'll be the one to help me out with my OBBs, with my logo and music and all those things related to my vlog. I promise you, since I have a growing number of viewers, subscribers as well, I will have more vlogs to come, improved contents, and of course livelier discussion. Anyway, one thing I like about vlogging is that you can start at any age. I'm 35, as I was saying, and I'm just starting to know what vlogging is all about. Thanks to Alex Wasabi and Will Dasovich for the influence. And now I have I'm subscribing to other vloggers. Yeah, as I've mentioned, Neo, Baninay Bautista, and my dream job, or my one of my bucket list is to have the filmography at par with the ones by Daniel Marsh. Great guy, great vlogs, great contents. The filmography is nice. Yeah, I subscribe to Daniel Marsh, Will Dasovich, Haley Dasovich, Panina Bautista, Mikey Bustos, Hugs and Hug and Knuckles TV. No, Hug and Knuckles. And who else do I subscribe to? I think, yeah. Anyway, as I was saying, this is what I like about vlogging. At this age, I'm still learning, and I love the new things that I'm learning. So, I think I can make a career out of this. Right now, I have 6 subscribers. I know it's still a long way for me to get at least 1,000 subscribers, but Jesus Christ started with 12, so might as well be contented with my subscribers. They will come as time goes by. and I just need to learn more of this stuff, appreciate what I'm doing, and open to more learnings and possibilities. So yeah, that's it for me today, and hopefully tomorrow I can have another vlog for you guys. Always remember to be happy because you are special. See you in the next vlog.